How to book a flight on Xiamen Airlines. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how you can book a flight on Xiamen Airlines. So how do you go about it? The first step is for you to log in into your Xiamen Airlines account, just like I've done here, or visit the website. And then once you're on the website page, next step is for you to scroll down to the section where you can see the option book a flight and book flight, flight status, my trip, optional services. Ensure you select book flight. So by selecting book flight, you can see different options displayed. You can see round trip, one way, multi-city, cash or mile if you want to pay by cash or by your miles. And so select the kind of trip that you'd like to embark on. If it's a round trip, ensure you select it. After selecting it, you have to select your departure city. That is, where are you leaving, where are you coming from, as well as your destination, where are you heading to exactly. So ensure you select that. Then you have to select your departure date. All right, what day and what day are you leaving, and what day are you going to arrive. So after selecting that, if you have a promotion code, ensure you use it in here. If not, just go ahead to click on search, and the flight available for those days would be displayed. Just wait for the flights to load, right? So the flights available for those days will be displayed, okay? And you can easily filter the flights based on lowest price, shortest duration, departure time, arrival time, or business class or first class if it's preferred. Now you can do this as you can see, as you're selecting it, the time will change if there are other flights available. As for me, for the flight I selected, this is for the days and for the locations that I selected, this is the only flight available. So if you want to check it to a first class or a business class, just click on this particular icon, and then the amounts that you'd pay would be changed, and then just move to the right side of the flight and then click on book. So by clicking on book, you have to also book your returning flight. All right, so click on book as well, and then you'll be taken to the next stage where you are to continue your booking process. So on this stage, the next step is to scroll up. If you want to add more people, you can go ahead. If not, just click on continue and follow through. And then the next stage will be for you to select the kind of business class as you want. Is it the business class classic? All right, business class classic is the automatic one that you selected while choosing your flight, and there is no extra charge for it, as you can see. But if it's business class classic, the other business class classic with more advantages, you have to pay an additional amount of money. So you go ahead to select the one that works better for you. But I'm just going to select the business classic, the actual one that I selected. Then I'm going to scroll down, move to the right side, and then click on continue. And then you'll be asked to confirm the flight that you've selected. Is this what you want exactly? If yes, confirm. If no, click on cancel and then go ahead to modify your flight. But if it's the right one, just click on confirm. So after clicking on confirm, you are brought to the next stage. On this stage, this is the passenger's details page, where you are to enter in details of the person that you want to book the flight for. And if you're the one, just go ahead to fill the details, enter in your title, enter in your gender, then your last name. All right, enter in your last name, enter in your date of birth. All right, just follow through the procedures. The date of birth is necessary to know your exact age, okay? And then your nationality, where exactly are you coming from, your ID document type, the document number, the country where the document was issued, ensure you selected, your frequent flyer program, fill in all of the details, okay? Your street, your emergency contact, and then once you're done, click on next. And then you'll be asked to enter in your contact information as well. Ensure you do this, then you can go ahead to book. And then once you've done that, you'll be taken to the next stage, which is the payment section, as you can see, which is number 4 here. So on this stage, go ahead to select the payment method that you would like to use, if it's by your card or by PayPal or by any other methods that are available. Select the one that is more appealing to you, and then verification will be sent to your email, and then your e-ticket will be sent to your email, and your flight has been booked, which is the success stage. So these are the 5 stages that you need to go through in order for you to book a flight successfully on Xiamen Airlines. So it is that simple. So go ahead to book your flights now. Thank you for watching and have a nice ride.